Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, it's me again. Right, as you can see, we've made our little bolter frame to go around the cat. Okay, and that's dried overnight, and then we got a little tiny step on the front there. Okay, so now it's time just to give it a little lick of paint. So I've got a bit of black Steiner Res primer, and I'm just going to give it a quick paint. Alright, just to try and get something on that frame. Okay, so that's plan A for the day. So we'll just slap on there. Thanks Ted, and we can give this 2 or 3 coats, this little frame, just to make it look a bit more sexy. And finish the edges of this dio off with it. So, on nearing completion of this build, I had a bit of a break mid-build on it, so apologies for the delay in uploading some new stuff. It's just I had a major spine surgery and fusion and all of that, and building time hasn't been what it normally would be. Okay, so I do apologise for the delay in some of the builds being edited and coming back up on my channel. Normal service is going to resume now. I've got the Concorde one to do. I've got this World War I dio here that I've been building that is to upload. I'm going to be starting full BF 109 Messerschmitt build with motor and all of that lot, and really going to town on that one. What else have we got? I've got some bike builds coming up, got a Formula 1 Tyrrell coming up, so there's going to be a bit to towards the end of this year. Also got the huge fire engine project coming up, for those of you that have been messaging me about it. Yes, I am going to be doing the Revell fire engine. Yes, it's going to have sirens, strobe lights. I'm converting it from right-hand drive to left-hand drive, from left-hand drive to right-hand drive, even Burke. So yeah, lots of chopping and cutting and modifying to get the doors to open, the cab to tilt. So yeah, so for those of you that have never hacked a kit as such to open a door or a bonnet or a boot or whatever, that'll be a good project for you to tune into, so that you can see how that side of things is done. And that will cover cutting the door, making a hinge, fixing the hinge, getting it all to line up, and then obviously making the inner framing of the door so that when it closes it looks as if it was purposefully made to be there. So this little bit of frame is coming along nicely now, so that can start looking rather cute. It just gives it a finishing touch along there whilst we let the rest of it dry, because I've got rocks and that I've got to dry. Then a layer of gravel's going to go on in a minute. If you bits and bobs. We'll do that, but for the moment I just want to get a bit of paint on this frame. So I might even let this gravel just to be on the safe side, because knowing me, I'll end up spilling a big load of gravel over the front of this, and it's all going to stick to the frame, and then I'm going to throw me toys out, me dummy's going to come out, and you know, I'll get a bottom lip and boo-hoo and wibble. So sod it, I'll let this dry first, then I'll come back and do a bit of gravelling, I think, just a bit on the safe side. This is one of the most simple dioramas I've done, actually. It don't need to be much on this, because all I'm trying to do is just represent the fact that it's gone into a quarry. It's not supposed to be what I would call a full diorama, because I didn't want to take away from the cat. So I just thought, well, it's almost like a vignette or a base is the best way of describing it. You know, just something to stand on rather than be within. You know, the one behind is telling the story, which is the World War One fight scene, so to speak. So not all my dios tell a story, some are just literally a base, which is what I class this as. So yeah, it's just again something different that you can do with an AT-AT. You know, there's a few people doing little bits and pieces with them that are on the tubes. So there you go. That's had its first coat back. Like so. And it just gives it something to stand on. You know, just something different is what we want. Without it being detracting from the kit, the model, and that. You know, I could have gone all out and had a quarry wall behind it and all of that lot, but I looked at the size that it was going to end up for the kit, you know, and it would have been something like A4 or A3, and then coming up beyond, and I just haven't got the space to store massive bulky dioramas, or too many of them. I mean, the one behind's A4 World War One tank dio, you know, and they do end up quite a size. So you know, I'm going to run out of shelf space, so I just thought something simple, like so, and it'll just give it a bit of scope. So that's why we've gone down that route with it. So let that dry, have a pause, and when we come back, put a bit of gravel on and paint the rocks. Alright? See you in a minute. And yeah, I'm gonna go have a cup of tea. Hello again, people. Alright, just a little bit of touch up is needed on a few of the rocks, just to give them a little definition. Just random, with a little bit of Admiralty even, and a bit of haze grey out of a Meng ship colours set, because it gives the rocks some slightly different colour. That's all we want. Just a bit of randomness, because we'll get some washes on here, and that will randomise some of the colour. That's all we want. Like that, a little bit of dry brushing across some of these textures. Distinct sound of gravelly noise there. Let's try and get rid of that for you. Yeah, that's better. Just a little hint. Nothing major. Just enough. Just random greys. Too fast. That's it. Make a wash of that colour now. Just to get in some of the other areas. Cool. And then get me dark wash out. Just lightly go over some of the other stuff. And I think we can pretty much call this one done. To be honest, I've got what I want sorted on it. My main focus is the cat itself, which is what we want. And just a little bit of what do you want to call it, quarry-ish thing. But that's really as far as I want to go with it, because
I'm quite content with it, to be quite honest with you. It's like anything, I don't want to overdo it, to be honest, so I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it like that. And whack that on the turntable and do a little reveal, I reckon. Because I can. So, a little dummy up around the bench, and we'll come back, we'll put that on the turntable, and we'll do a little reveal video, I think, and call that one done. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you shortly for my next build. Bye for now.